The Mazda CX-90 was supposed to mark a major step forward for Mazda, a shift toward a more premium driving experience with stronger performance, smoother technology, and a level of refinement that could compete with much more expensive brands. For many buyers, it looked like the perfect upgrade, combining Mazda's well-known driving dynamics with a new platform, a modern turbocharged powertrain, and advanced electronics designed to make everyday driving easier and more comfortable. On paper, everything about the CX-90 suggested progress. But as more owners have spent time with the vehicle in real-world conditions, a pattern has started to appear, one that doesn't show up during a short test drive and often only becomes noticeable after weeks or months of ownership. The issue that many CX-90 drivers are beginning to report centers around the transmission and how it interacts with the rest of the vehicle's systems. This isn't a simple case of a broken part or a clear mechanical failure. Instead, it's a combination of behaviors that create an inconsistent driving experience, particularly at low speeds and during everyday stop-and-go conditions. Owners describe hesitation when accelerating, unexpected shifts, and moments where the vehicle doesn't respond as smoothly as expected. These issues don't always happen in a predictable way, which makes them more frustrating because they are difficult to explain and even harder to diagnose during a quick visit to a dealership. One of the most commonly reported problems is hesitation from a stop. When the driver presses the accelerator, there can be a brief delay before the vehicle begins to move, almost as if the transmission is deciding what gear to select before committing to the action. In some situations, this delay is followed by a sudden surge of power, creating a jerky motion that feels out of place in a vehicle that is supposed to deliver a refined and controlled driving experience. This behavior is especially noticeable in city driving, where frequent stops and starts put the transmission under constant demand. The root of this issue lies in the design of the CX-90's transmission system and how it has been tuned to balance efficiency and performance. Modern transmissions are heavily controlled by software, which determines when to shift, how aggressively to respond to throttle input, and how to optimize fuel consumption. In the CX-90, this system appears to prioritize efficiency in certain conditions, which can lead to delayed responses when the driver suddenly requests more power. While this approach may improve fuel economy on paper, it can create a disconnect between what the driver expects and what the vehicle actually does. Another factor contributing to the problem is the integration of hybrid assistance in some CX-90 models. Hybrid systems are designed to work seamlessly with the engine and transmission, but achieving that level of coordination requires extremely precise calibration. If the timing between the electric motor and the transmission is not perfectly aligned, it can result in hesitation, uneven power delivery, or shifts that feel out of sync with the driver's input. Some owners have reported that these issues become more noticeable in certain driving conditions, such as when the vehicle is transitioning between electric and gasoline power or when climbing hills at low speeds. Software plays a significant role in how these systems behave, and in many cases, the issues reported by owners are related more to programming than to physical defects. This means that updates can potentially improve the situation, but it also means that different vehicles may behave differently depending on their software version. Some owners have seen improvements after dealership updates, while others report little to no change, which adds to the inconsistency and confusion surrounding the problem. Beyond the immediate driving experience, there is also concern about how these behaviors might affect the vehicle over time. Frequent hesitation and abrupt shifting can place additional stress on transmission components, especially if the system is constantly adjusting under load. While this doesn't guarantee long-term damage, it does raise questions about durability, particularly for owners who plan to keep the vehicle for many years. Modern transmissions are complex and expensive to repair, and any indication of irregular behavior naturally leads to concern about potential future costs. The financial aspect of this issue is one of the reasons it has gained attention among owners. Even though many of these vehicles are still under warranty, the idea of dealing with transmission-related problems outside of that coverage can be unsettling. Repairs involving advanced transmissions and hybrid systems are not cheap, and the uncertainty surrounding the root cause of the issue makes it difficult for owners to predict what their long-term maintenance costs might look like. What makes this situation more challenging is that the CX-90 is not a fundamentally flawed vehicle. In many ways, it delivers exactly what Mazda intended, offering a comfortable ride, strong performance, and a premium feel that stands out in its segment. The problem is that these transmission behaviors disrupt the overall experience, making the vehicle feel less polished than expected. When a car is positioned as a step up in quality, even small inconsistencies. For current owners, understanding the nature of the problem is the first step toward managing it effectively. Since many of these issues are related to software and calibration, checking for updates at the dealership is an important starting point. Keeping the vehicle's systems up to date can improve performance and reduce some of the hesitation and shifting irregularities that have been reported. While this may not eliminate the issue entirely, it can make the driving experience more consistent and predictable. Driving style can also influence how noticeable these problems are. Smooth, gradual acceleration tends to work better with the transmission's programming, while sudden inputs are more likely to trigger hesitation or abrupt shifts. Adjusting driving habits slightly can reduce the frequency of these behaviors, although it doesn't address the underlying cause. For many drivers, this becomes a matter of adapting to the vehicle rather than expecting it to behave in a certain way. Regular maintenance remains important, even though the issue is largely software-related. Ensuring that the transmission fluid is in good condition and that all related systems are functioning properly can help maintain overall performance. While modern transmissions are designed to require minimal maintenance, neglecting basic care can make existing issues more pronounced over time. For potential buyers, the key takeaway is awareness rather than avoidance. The CX-90 still offers many advantages, and for some drivers, the transmission behavior may not be a significant concern. However, taking a longer test drive that includes city traffic, stop-and-go conditions, and different driving scenarios can provide a better understanding of how the vehicle behaves in real-world use. This allows buyers to make a more informed decision based on their own preferences and expectations. Looking at the bigger picture, this issue reflects a broader trend in modern vehicles, where increased reliance on software and advanced systems introduces new challenges. Manufacturers are constantly balancing efficiency, performance, and comfort, and sometimes those priorities can conflict in ways that affect the driving experience. The CX-90's transmission behavior is an example of how these trade-offs can become noticeable to drivers, especially in everyday situations. Mazda has a history of refining its vehicles over time, and it is likely that future updates and model years will address some of these concerns. As more data becomes available from real-world use, adjustments can be made to improve system calibration and overall performance. This process is common in modern automotive development, where vehicles continue to evolve even after they are released. For now, the important thing is recognizing that the CX-90's transmission issue is not a simple defect, but a combination of design choices, software behavior, and real-world conditions. It doesn't make the vehicle unusable, and it doesn't affect every driver in the same way. But it does represent a noticeable difference between expectation and reality, which is why it has become a topic of discussion among owners. In the end, owning a modern vehicle like the Mazda CX-90 requires a slightly different mindset than owning older, simpler cars. It's not just about mechanical reliability anymore. It's about understanding how complex systems interact and how those interactions affect the driving experience. For drivers who are willing to adapt and stay informed, the CX-90 can still be a rewarding vehicle. But for those expecting a completely seamless experience, the transmission behavior may come as an unexpected surprise. And that's what defines this issue. It's not a dramatic failure or a widespread breakdown. It's a subtle but persistent characteristic that becomes more noticeable over time, shaping how owners feel about their vehicle long after the initial excitement of buying it has faded.